In this video, we're going to create a crypto mining Telegram bot with ads. If you haven't already, check out the previous video to get the source code of the bot. We'll be converting our Shiba Inu miner web app into a working Telegram bot. First, take a look at the bot I created. Now let's move on to the bot creation process. Open the Telegram app or web version and search for BotFather. But before that, don't forget to host your code on a server. You can host it for free on platforms like Render or Vercel. Once you're ready, go to BotFather, type /start, and then select New Bot. You can set this up right in the chat box. First, give your bot a name and press Enter. Next, choose a unique bot username that doesn't already exist, then hit Enter. Your bot is now created, and you'll receive a secret API token. Don't share this token with anyone, because whoever has it can control your bot. Next, let's link our website to the bot. Type /mybots, and you'll see a list of all your bots. Select the one you just created, then go to Bot Settings, Menu button. Configure Menu button. Here, enter your website link and choose a button name such as Start Mining, or anything you prefer. Now your bot is ready to go. Just click on the bot's username or search for it in the Telegram search bar to access it. We can also customize the bot's profile picture and banner image. To do that, go back to BotFather, select your bot, click on Edit Bot, and you'll find options to set the profile picture, description image, and other settings. Let me quickly set the bot picture and description image. Now, as you can see, our bot has its profile and description images updated. That's it, our mining Telegram bot is up and running. Also, I have more premium Telegram bots with features like ton wallet connection and custom task systems. If you'd like me to make a tutorial on those as well, let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.